Hello dear student, to continuing my lecture on chapter current electricity. In this lecture I am going to discuss two problems. These two problems are previous year CBSE board questions. These are previous year CBSE board questions. So please observe carefully. So this question is, they are asking in 2010. This is the question they are asking in CBSE 2010 year question. This question is CBSE. This is the IIT question. IIT 2000. IIT. Sorry, 1983. Okay. So this is the question. Observe carefully. How to solve these two questions? Observe carefully. Very, very important questions. Question number 3. Here in this connection, in this circuit, we need to find a current I value. Current I value. You know already, according to Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. So V is equal to IR. That means I want I value. I is equal to V by R. V by R equivalent. Only one resistance is there, means R we consider. But here three resistances are there. That's why we consider R equivalent. What is V value here? V value is 2 volts. V value is 2 volts. 2 volts by R equivalent value. Here, observe carefully. What is R equivalent value? So, what is R equivalent value? These two are in series. Am I right? These two are in series. These two are in series. Because there is no junction. And again, these two are in series means 30 plus 30, 60. So, how to draw equivalent diagram for this one? This is A. Equivalent diagram. This is 30, and these two are in series. In series connection, we are add the resistances. For R equivalent, we are add the resistances. That's why 30 plus 30, 60. So this is a 60. That means this is a 60 ohm, this is a 30 ohm, and this is connected to a 2 volts battery source. 2 volts battery source. And we need to find current I. So now observe carefully, this is equivalent diagram. These two are in series. Series means 30 plus 30, 60 ohm here we got. Next again these two are in parallel. These two are in parallel. So whenever two resistors are in parallel, then 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So that means 1 by R1 means 1 by 30, 1 by R2 means 1 by 60. So that means LCM is 60 here, 30 2 times, 60 1 time. 3 by 60, that is equal to 3 ones, 3 20s, 1 by 20. 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by 20. That means from this, R equivalent is equal to 20 ohms. R equivalent is equal to 20 ohms. So what is the equivalent resistance here? R equivalent is equal to 20 ohms. I want current I. Current I is equal to V value by R equivalent. R equivalent is 20 ohms. From this, to how many times? 10 times. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1 amp. 0.1 amp. So answer for this question is option A. Option A is correct. So next, question number 4. How to solve question number 4? Observe carefully. How to solve question number 4? Are you understood? I will explain one more time. These two are in series. Why these two are in series? Because here the current is same. There is no junctions between these two resistors. There is no junction. This is not a junction. Why? More than two wires meeting point is called junction. 1, 2, only two wires. This is not a junction. This is a junction. This is a junction. This is one junction. This is another junction. Because 1, 2, 3. More than two wires meeting point is called junction. This is junction. 1, 2, 3. Definitely this is junction. Here 1, 2. This is not a junction. Junction is there, current divided, then those are in parallel connection. But it is not a junction. That's why these two are in series. Okay. So this is question number 3 solution. Next we are going to discuss question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Observe carefully here. Question number 4. What is question number 4 here? So already I written previously what I written on the board. If 4R resistor is bent in the form of circle, bent in the form of circle, 4R resistor is bent in the form of circle, find R equivalent between two ends of diameter. Two ends of diameter. This is A, this is the B I consider. What is the R equivalent? 4R resistor bent in the form of circle. Bent in the form of circle. Bent in the form of circle. This bent in the form of circle means definitely this will become total 4R. This top portion will become 2R. This will become 2R because it will divide into two parts. This 4R will be divided into two parts because here this is 2R portion, this is 2R portion. Okay. So this is 2R resistor, this is 2R resistor. Observe carefully. What is this? What is this? More than two wires. This is a junction, this is junction. Definitely current is divided. Current is divided. Here some current passing through this one means, for example, here some current is passing through this one means definitely those current is divided. This is I1 current, this is I2 current. Current is different means, what is the connection? Parallel connection. Here current is different. Current is different. Current is different means definitely this connection is parallel connection. That's why 2R and 2R both are in parallel connection. That's why. So we can draw equivalent diagram like this. This 2R and this 2R. This is equivalent diagram. Equivalent diagram B and A. We can draw this one like this. So this is a 2R and here it is 2R. Then we need to find R equivalent between these two. So R equivalent, how to find R equivalent? These two are in parallel. 1 by R equivalent is equal to formula 1 by R1. You know already. So how to find? 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That is equal to 1 by 2R plus 1 by 2R. That is equal to 2 by 2R. That is equal to 1 by R. So that means from this R equivalent is equal to what we got? R. R equivalent is equal to R. So answer for this question is R equivalent between two ends of diameter of circle is R ohm. So this is a solution for this question number 4. I hope everyone understood this. Next we are going to discuss most important concept. So this is a last concept for this lecture. Color coding of resistors. Color coding of resistors. This is a topic. So what is the topic? Color coding of resistors. So generally, this color coding of resistors, how can we find? Generally, resistances will be represented with some colors. Any resistor, so that resistor should contain some colors. Based upon color, so we are finding resistance value easily. Based upon colors on resistor, we are easily find resistance value. Am I right? So it has some trick is there. What is the trick? First color, okay, color digit or number. Next one multiplier. Next one tolerance. So we are dividing like this. Multiplier and tolerance. Okay. So observe carefully here. B.B. Roy of Great Britain, having very good wife with gold and silver and no color. Okay, so this is observe carefully. B.B. Roy. So what is the trick here? B.B. Roy of Great Britain. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife, with gold and silver. With gold and silver. This is a memorizing sentence. These all colors, how to memorize? By using this sentence. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife with gold and silver. Okay, so observe carefully. This B means here. This B means black. This B means black. This B means brown. This B means brown color. This B means brown color. And here this R means red color. R means red color. Here R means red color. Here O means orange. O means orange. Y means yellow. Y means yellow here. So Y means yellow. And G means green. B means blue. V means violet. Violet color. G means grey color. W means white color. Gold means gold. So this is the next W means white, gold, silver, no color. So B means black, brown, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. So how to write? B.B. Roy of Great Britain having very good wife with gold, silver, no color. Gold, silver, no color. So how to indicate numbers? This is indicated with number 1. This is indicated with numbers. How can we indicate here? This is the number 1 we are indicating. This is a 2. Red is indicated with 3. Orange is 4. Yellow is 5. Green is a 6. Blue is a 7. Violet is 8. And green is 9. Also, sorry, we are taking this one as from 0. This is from 0. So we are taking from 0, 1. We indicate with the numbers 1, 2, 0, 0 for black, brown, red, orange 3, yellow 4. So green is 5, and this blue is a 6, violet is a 7, gray is 8, white with the white means here 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 9. So like this we indicates. Now there is no here disease. Well, to continuing my lecture on the topic current electricity, color coding of resistors. Color coding of resistor. First we tabulate values like a color, digit, multiplier, tolerance. Color, digit or number, multiplier and tolerance. So here some colors are there. B.B. Roy of Great Britain having very good wife with gold and silver, no color. So here several colors are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 13 words are there. So 13 colors are there. How to memorize these 13 colors? By using this trick. What is this trick? Observe carefully. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife, having very good wife with gold and silver. Okay, this blue color indicates colors here. Understand? Huh? So how to memorize these all colors? By using this sentence. B.B. Roy of a Great Britain having very good wife with gold and silver. So now, so numbers are indicated with 0, 1, 2, 3. So here black is indicated with 0, brown is indicated with 1, red is indicated with 2, orange is indicated with 3, yellow is indicated with 4, green is indicated with 5, blue is indicated with 6, violet is indicated with 7, grey is indicated with 8, white is indicated with 9. Okay, gold and silver and no color having, there is no digits. Now multipliers. Multipliers is nothing but 10 powers. 10 power 0, you can write this one as a 10 power 1. This can write 10 square. This we can write this one we can write 10 cube. This we can write 10 power 4. This we can write 10 power 5. This we can write 10 power 6. This we can write 10 power 7. This we can write 10 power 8. This we can write 10 power 9. 10 power 9. Okay, so we can indicate like this. Tolerances. Tolerances. Gold having tolerance plus or minus 5%. Silver having tolerance plus or minus 10%. No color having tolerance plus or minus 20%. Gold having tolerance plus or minus 5%. Silver having tolerance plus or minus 10%. And no color having tolerance plus or minus 20%. Plus or minus 20%. So this is next. So for example, we will solve one numerical. Example 1. Example 1. So they given in the question, resistance on resistor 4 colors are yellow, orange, green and silver. So green and silver. Find value of resistance. resistor, value of resistance. The value of resistance. How to find this? So simply we can find solution for this. So for finding value of resistance, here two digits. First two we are taking digits, okay, and second one 2 digits, and third one is first value. You can write first value and second value are digits. Third value is multiplier. Fourth value is tolerance. Okay. So how can we write? This is very important. This is very important. How can we write resistance value? How can we find resistance value? First and second numbers are indicated with the digits, and second and third one is multiplier, fourth one is tolerance. First and second. So they given yellow, orange, green, silver. Yellow number is 3. Yellow number is 3. Am I right? So they given yellow. So they given as a yellow. They given yellow, orange, green. They given, and they, well, here observe question carefully. On resistor, four colors are there: yellow, orange, green, silver. Find the value of resistance. Find the value of resistance. My dear, here first two, that means first color and second color. First color and second color taken as digits. First color and second colors are taken as digits. Third color is taken as multiplier. These first and second, all these are called colors. These are colors. First and second color is taken as digits. Third color is taken as multiplier. Fourth color is taken as tolerance. Okay. So here the given colors are yellow, orange, green, silver. First two colors. How to find resistance value? While finding resistance value, we should follow these steps. First two colors we are taking digits. Second color taken as multiplier. First and second color taken as digits. Third color taken as multiplier. Fourth color is taken as tolerance. So first and second color, yellow and orange. So yellow and orange. Yellow, orange. Yellow is number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means yellow number is 4. Yellow number 4. Okay, first color digit is 4. Next, second color is orange. Orange also we can take digit only. Orange. Orange means 3. Orange means 3. 43. First two colors taken digits. Next, third color is what? Green. For the third color we consider multiplier. Third color is green. Green multiplier. Green multiplier is 10 power 5. Green multiplier is into 10 power 5 multiplier. And fourth color is taken as tolerance. Fourth color is taken as tolerance. Fourth color is silver. Silver tolerance is what? Plus or minus 10%. Plus or minus 10%. Plus or minus 10%. So this is the resistance value. So first two colors taken digits. So what is the digit of yellow? Digit of yellow is 4. What is the digit of orange? Digit of orange is 3. Orange is 3. Green color. Next, the third color is green color. For the third color, we consider multiplier. What is the green color multiplier here? Green color multiplier is 10 power 5. So 10 power 5. So for the last color, we consider tolerance. For the last color, consider tolerance. Tolerance is plus or minus 10%. So this is a solution for this question. So I hope all of you understood this lecture. While solving this lecture, if you will get So for example, if you are practicing this concepts and these numericals, if you will get any doubt, feel free to mention in comment box. So practice regularly. If you understand concept means solving numericals are very easy. All the very best.